Hi friends, are you ready to learn with Advait? And what do you think of constellations? A constellation is a group of stars which makes an imaginary shape in the night sky. If you look up into the sky on a clear night, you will see thousands of stars. But how do you know which star is which? Luckily, these stars form groups called constellations. Early astronomers noticed that the stars formed groups and these groups moved in a regular way. They began to use characters, animals, and objects from their myths to remember these groups. Most of the constellation names we use today are from Greek and Roman times, but some go even further. A group of 12 constellations can be seen in both hemispheres. The ancients called them the zodiac, meaning animals in Greek. To spot constellations, we need a star chart and a place with wide view of the sky. We cannot see all of the constellations at once. The Earth's tilt and orbital motion means that some can only be seen at certain times of the year. Orion is one of the easily recognizable constellations in both northern and southern skies. It shows a hunter who is in fight with Taurus, the bull. It has the very bright star Rigel, a blue supergiant. Cygnus is a major constellation in northern hemisphere. It looks like a flying swan. It can also be seen close to horizon in southern hemisphere in winter. Pole star or the North Star sits directly above the North Pole, which makes it an excellent way to find it on North. It is visible all year in the northern hemisphere at the tip of the constellation called Ursa Minor, which is the Little Bear. To find out this, we can use another constellation called Ursa Major, which is the Great Bear. 7 of its stars form a shape called Big Dipper. The two stars that form the front of this shape point to the pole star. Stargazing is much easier in southern hemisphere than in the north, as there is less light pollution, making it easier to see fainter stars. The Milky Way appears brighter and more stars in the south than in the north. Sagittarius contains more clusters and nebulas than any other constellation. This constellation is depicted as half man, half horse creature firing an arrow. This constellation contains a radio source thought to be a black hole which marks the center of the Milky Way galaxy. The biggest of all the 88 constellations, Hydra, spreads across a quarter of the sky. Ancient people could see the stars much clearer than we can. They didn't have city lights, so the sky was very dark at night. Stars are not the only things that are visible in the night sky. We can also spot the planets. Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn are visible to the naked eye. Mercury and Venus are known as the morning and evening stars because the best times to see them are just before sunrise or after sunset. Each star is moving in space. In a few hundreds of thousands of years' time, the stars will be in different positions and the constellations will have changed shape from how we know them today. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe for more videos. Bye.